Okay,
Hi.
hi.
This is Ami Creperie. There's our menu.
I miss Ami Creperie.
Yes.
There's the
Let
savory
me see.
crepe. The signature is ham, cheese, egg, spinach, green onion. There's the smoked salmon version. And then there's the veggie. There's also a sweet crepe version. This is part of the F&Q Learning Center. Okay,
Yes.
so Kan is gonna start making the crepe
Making
process
crepe.
now.
Yes. So first, just pour in some batter. This is made of flour, milk, egg, some butter, a little bit of butter, and there you go. So just tour it around and around. And then, yeah, just wait for a little bit and then flip it over.
So, is it supposed to be like a soft crepe or is it like crispy texture? It's like, Vietnamese bánh
Yes,
xèo crepe.
yes. So, yeah, supposedly it's soft, but I think people in the Vietnamese community, yeah, like it crispy. So I guess that they used to eat crispy like bakery. So yeah, so I put it,
It's a cultural
crispy.
thing where if
Yes,
you
correct.
prefer like
Yeah.
texture or.
Yeah, so that, and then I'm going to make the signature crepe, which is with ham and egg. So I'm going to put egg first. So it's just kind of like to cook the egg completely, you know, just kind of like spread it around. And it's a very, very hot. It's cooker. So it's like maybe like 400 degree. So yeah, just everything will be cooked on top of this thing. So, and then next thing I put is some cheese. It's mozzarella cheese. It's right here. Okay. And then the next one is some spinach.
So when you say signature, that's like your most popular one.
Yes, the most popular one, and the most like practical one. It's with this, you have everything. You have a little bit of veggie. You have protein. You have cheese. And it'll fill you up pretty
Right,
much.
and then obviously the mozzarella cheese is like give that umami flavor. So
Right.
it's
Yes.
very savory, but at the same time it give you the fat that you need to make you full.
Right, yes, exactly. Make you full, like, yeah, it'll fill you up like for the whole day
So
until
don't be
dinner.
misleading. Don't think that it's misleading for a small crab and not filling you up, right?
Right, yes. And then the next thing is to, I have ham. And, yes. And then I'm just gonna fold it over. It's like a wrap, but in a kind of like a French style, wrap. So with that, it's very crunchy. You can feel it.
Yeah, I can
Right?
hear the crunch. Yeah.
So I'm just gonna flip it over to. this is pretty much for to go. So this, I'll just put it in the box here for to. So it takes probably like 5 minutes to cook the whole crepe. Yes.
So it's totally customizable and on demand.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So if you want to add like some more eggs or some more cheese or anything else, we can just put it on, and voila, here's our crepe.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. And we are 2092 Concourse Drive, Unit 41, San Jose. Thank you. Hope to see you.